Unit4 Financials is a powerful accounting solution tailored for businesses aiming to streamline and enhance their financial management processes. In this video, I take you through every detail of this software, including its interface, key features, and overall usability, sharing my personal experience using it for financial tracking and reporting. Upon opening Unit4 Financials, you're greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard that offers quick access to key modules such as General Ledger, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, and Financial Analytics. The layout is designed to make navigation simple, even for those who might not have extensive accounting expertise. During my review, I found the General Ledger module particularly effective, as it offers seamless integration with various business processes. The software's reporting capabilities stand out, with a wide range of customizable options that cater to different industries and organizational needs. From standard financial statements to in-depth budget analyses, Unit4 Financials ensures that you have all the tools necessary to make informed decisions. One of the standout features is its scalability. Whether you're running a small business or managing the finances of a large corporation, Unit4 Financials adapts to fit your requirements. I also export its cloud-based deployment, which ensures that your financial data is accessible from anywhere with robust security protocols in place. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video, as those links provide helpful tools and tips for improving your financial management strategies beyond Unit4 Financials. During my time using the software, I noticed its integration capabilities with third-party applications, which is a significant advantage for businesses relying on multiple tools. However, like any software, there are areas for improvement. For example, initial setup and customization can be a bit complex, especially for new users. That said, Unit4 Financials offers thorough support documentation and responsive customer service to help ease the transition. I also evaluated its pricing structure, which, while on the higher side, reflects the robust features and flexibility the software offers. If you're a business owner looking for a long-term financial management solution, this could be a worthwhile investment. To sum up, Unit4 Financials is a comprehensive and reliable accounting platform packed with features to simplify and enhance financial management. While it has a slight learning curve, its benefits far outweigh the initial challenges. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and user experiences with various software tools. Your support helps us create more detailed and valuable content for you. See you in the next video.